Divisional Public School and Inter College, Model Town and Township, Lahore. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Here is your teacher Shazia Awan. I'll teach social studies to nursery class. My endearing learners, Assalamu alaikum. I inform you, this video is the last video because the syllabus of social studies is completed. I'm sure you'll not forget all that I taught you. Let's start. Question number 18. Do you cut your nails every Friday? Do you cut your nails every Friday? Its answer is yes. I cut my nails every Friday. Repeat it with me. Yes, I cut my nails every Friday. Let's say it gently. Yes, I cut my nails every Friday. That's great. Question number 19. Do you take a bath daily? Do you take a bath daily? Buck up kids, you can learn the answer very well. Its answer is yes, I take a bath daily. Repeat it with me. Yes, I take a bath daily. Let's say it gently. Yes, I take a bath daily. Are you ready to take a bath? Just now. Here we go.
Tub, it's time to get all clean. I'll be the cleanest kid you've ever seen. The soap and the bubbles are filling up the tub, so I'll jump in the water and scrub, scrub, scrub.
Question number 20. How many days are there in a week? How many days are there in a week? Its answer is 7 days. Repeat it with me. 7 days. Let's say it gently. 7 days. I really appreciate your efforts. Question number 21. Name the days of a week. Name the days of a week. Its answer is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Repeat it with me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Let's say it gently. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I can see that you are trying so hard on this. Now sing it.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week.
Question number 22. How do you come to school daily? How do you come to school daily? Its answer is by bus. Bus. It's a huge yellow bus. Car, car. It's a shining car. Motorbike, motorbike. It's an elegant motorbike. Rickshaw, rickshaw. It's a distinctive rickshaw, isn't it? Van, van. It's a classic van. Bicycle, bicycle. Wow, it's a splendid bicycle. Cycling is a great fun, isn't it? On foot, on foot. Children are coming to school on foot. Now listen carefully. You've seen the examples of some vehicles. Remember, to answer this question, you will learn only the name of that vehicle by which you come to school. For instance, if you ask me the same question, I'll reply by car. That's it. Thumbs up. You did it. My sweet stars, Allah Hafiz and stay blessed.